Darsail was founded in 1999. The main activity of our company is manufacturing of spare parts for cigarette makers and packaging equipment. Darsail, the reliable component in your business. The company's main focus lies on 5 types of spare parts production out of a wide variety existing: metal foil embossing rollers with positive structure, rotary cutting drums for inner frame, format tongue pieces for plug forming, cigarette printing dies, glue drums for filter attachment machines. These spare parts are produced to fit all types of new and old cigarette making and packaging equipment of all known manufacturers. Since 2004, the company has been exporting its products to our customers located in the CIS, Western Europe, and Southeast Asia. We have developed and created a universal embossing technology, which could be applied to any packing machine and in any embossing unit. It can also be used in systems with 3 and more embossing rollers. Nowadays, our company produces rollers based on 2 principles of embossing: embossing with 2-direction catching factor, high-definition embossing. The special construction of embossing surfaces developed by the Darsail company prevents foil from defects. A basic roller has surfaces with special semi-pyramidal structure, the angle of ledge slope of which differs from the slope angle of similar ledges of the press roller. It allows the foil to be fixed firmly between the rollers, avoiding critical pressure. Thus, the percentage of defects goes down considerably. The level of quality and accuracy of embossing increases. At this method of embossing, the press roller's pyramidal ledges are turned axially at an angle of 45 degrees to the ledges of the basic roller. This disposition allows to achieve an edge-rib cohesion and avoid foil displacement during embossing. Pyramidal ledges pivot turn makes the embossing surface much more complicated. That opens up new possibilities for embossing of multi-level pictures and holograms. Nowadays, our company produces rollers with 0.16 millimeters to 1 millimeter embossing pitch for regular embossing without logo, embossing with logo and multi-logo, fragmentary embossing when only the logo is embossed, different level embossing when both logo and background are embossed, but the embossing level of the logo differs with the one of the background. Special attention is paid to the embossing with adjustable angle. The pyramids placed on the rollers with sides formed by the ledges with different slope angles make it possible to obtain the hologram effect. The standard production time for a set of rollers using our technology is 2 to 3 weeks. If we have a ready-made preform of your embossing set, the time of production will take 48 hours. It was possible to achieve a very long service due to non-contact work of the system. The cutting system construction is modified by lateral platters on the rotary cutting knife and by a very hard reciprocal drum. Both drums are made of cold working die balanced steel of high quality. Using modern thermal treatment technologies, the Darsail company specialists get knife edges of high quality, almost completely avoiding blistering and decarbonization of the surface. Such systems are produced for all packaging machines with rotary cutting knives. We remove all head and fillets in tongue pieces we produce. Optimize tongue piece jointing with the scraper. Our new tongue pieces allows the consumer to economize on tobacco and non-tobacco materials with total savings amounting up to 0.5%. It happens due to a decrease of cigarette rejects, that is, waste decrease. For example, with machine productivity of 10,000 cigarettes per minute, this gives you additionally 950,400 packs a year. Multiply this figure by the price of your pack, and you will get a profit from one machine equipped by the tongue piece produced by the Darsail company. The Darsail Company tongue pieces possess a number of distinctive qualities: new channel geometry, enlarged service period, special steel, special thermal treatment, and what is very important, a very good price. The Darsail Company possesses high-precision modern equipment. That is why we manage to get a very accurate product in a small period of time. We produce dies for printing of cigarette name logo or any pattern, of inscription on the cigarette seam, of secret marks or inscriptions under the cigarette seam. The main drawback of common printing dies is their fragility. We manage to avoid this with the help of special conditions of thermal treatment and engraving. Darsail, the reliable component in your business.